Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Hotjar recordings to uncover UI friction. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Hotjar recordings, start by logging into your Hotjar account. Once logged in, navigate to the recordings section in the dashboard. Click on the New Recording button to set up a new recording configuration. Select the specific URL or pages where you want to capture user sessions. Choose the target audience for your recordings based on criteria like location or device type. Set the sample rate to define how many visitors you want to capture in your recordings. Use the advanced options to include or exclude certain page elements. Adjust the session duration if you want to limit how long each recording lasts. Make sure to enable the recording settings to capture mouse movements and clicks. If you want to track specific events, consider setting up custom events in Hotjar. Once you are satisfied with your settings, click on the Start Recording button. Hotjar will begin capturing sessions based on the criteria you configured. Monitor the recordings regularly to identify any UI friction points. Review the playback to see where users encounter issues or drop off. Take notes and highlight areas that need improvement based on user interactions. Use this data to inform your UI design and make iterative changes. After making changes, revisit the recordings to see if user behavior improves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.